Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about trigonometry. So now I want to show you how to answer. A and B are acute angles. Should that cosine A equals to 1 over 2 and sin B equals to 1 over the square root of number 3. Show that this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Tan C equal to sin C over cosine C. So we change C into A plus B. Now we have the second formula in here. We know that sin A plus B, that is about sin A cosine B plus cosine A sin B. And the second one, we have cosine A cosine B minus sin A sin B. So in this situation, we need to find about sin A and cosine B. So the next one, we look carefully. We have A and B are acute angles. Acute angles, that means A and B, they are in from 0 to 90 degrees. So we can conclude that A and B, they are quadrant. Number 1. Because they are quadrant number 1, so sin A and cosine B should be positive. Now let's go to find sin A and cosine B. About this one, we have the formula in here. Cosine A square plus sin A square equals to number 1. If we want to find this one, we put cosine A square go to the right, and later that we put the square root for the both sides. So we have like this. Because sin A should be positive, so we just select about the positive next to the square root. So cosine A, that is about 1 over 2. And this one, we have the square root of number 3 over 2. Now we can do similar for the second one. Now we go back in here. So we need to gather all information in here. So sine A that is about this one. Cosine, we have sine A that is about this one, and we have cosine A that is about 1/2. Cosine B that is about this one. And sine B that is about this one. Now we simplify this one, and we have same this value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.